Hi, I'm Heidi Glasso, lead trainer with VariQuest. This is a quick tutorial on how to load and use the VariQuest Cold Laminator 2510. Let's get started. The laminate for the VariQuest Cold Laminator 2510 comes in a two-roll set, an upper and lower roll. Each roll has color-coded end caps for guiding you in the placement of the laminate, along with labels indicating which roll is for the top and bottom. You will also notice color-coded stickers on the inside of the machine that correspond with the color of the end caps. To load your laminate, first position the laminator so you have access to both the front and back of the machine. Remove the top cover. Open the lower access door located in the back of the laminator, then remove the input tray. Facing the back of the machine, start with the bottom roll and insert into the bottom slots, matching the end caps to the corresponding colored stickers, ensuring the roll is inserted completely. Then move to the front of the machine and take the end of the laminate roll, which you will notice has a 6-inch lead, and pull up to position it in between the two black rubber rollers. Begin to turn the handle on the right side of the machine clockwise until you see an inch or two of laminate coming out of the back of the machine. Next, facing the back of the laminator, insert the upper roll in the slots, again matching the corresponding colors and making sure the roll is inserted fully. Facing the front of the machine again, find the start of the upper roll. You will notice there is not a lead, and pull it down to loop it under so the adhesive side of the top roll adheres to the adhesive side of the bottom roll, and tack it down. Note, it is important to line up the laminate edges as close as possible to avoid excessive wrinkling when you begin laminating. Proceed to turn the handle again in a clockwise motion to thread the machine. You will notice as you turn the handle, the laminate comes out of the back of the machine and may be wrinkled. There is extra footage on the roll, so you're able to work through the wrinkles without tapping into your supply. Each roll of laminate is 300 feet. Continue to turn the handle until it's wrinkle-free, which may be up to 2 or 3 feet. You will notice at the back of your machine is an orange cutter to trim the excess laminate. To do so, push down on the orange cutter tab and slide across the length of the laminate. Replace the cover, close the lower access door, and input tray. You're now ready to begin using the laminator. Before I show you how to laminate posters, banners, and construction paper, I'd like to point out some of the new features of the VariQuest Cold Laminator 2510. First, the input guides allow you to easily line up your 23-inch poster or banner as well as 12-inch construction paper to keep it straight when loading into the laminator and to avoid wrinkles on your final output. To install, simply slide the guides into the designated slots on either side of the input tray for laminating a poster, or both in the middle for laminating construction paper. When the input guides are not being used, they can be stored on the outside edge of the input tray. Another new feature includes the use of input hooks, used to automatically roll posters and banners before laminating. To position the hooks, start with the smaller input hooks and insert them on the front of the machine by snapping into place on the right and left side of the input tray. Output hooks are used to automatically roll posters and banners after laminating. To position the output hooks, which are larger in size, move to the back of the machine and snap into place using the brightly colored stickers under the cut bar for proper placement. When not using the output hooks, they can be stored inside the lower access door located in the back of the machine. Now you're ready to laminate your poster or banner. Start at the front of the machine and position your rolled poster in the input hooks. pull the paddle at the top of the input tray towards you. Proceed by placing the poster on top of the input tray and slide it under the paddle, ensuring that it's lined up with the guides on the right and left sides. Continue to push the poster under the paddle until you see an inch of the poster coming out from the other side of the paddle. Glide your finger across the poster to adhere it to the laminate to hold it in place as you begin laminating. This step helps to keep your poster straight and prevents it from moving, which eliminates wrinkles on your final output. Slide the paddle forward and begin to turn the handle in the clockwise motion. Watch as the laminated poster comes out of the back of the machine and stop turning the handle when it's completely laminated. Lastly, push down on the cutter and glide across to trim off the poster. To laminate construction paper, follow the same process. However, move the input guides to the center of the tray before you begin, so you're able to laminate 2 sheets of construction paper at the same time. If additional assistance is needed, please contact our tech service department at 1-800-328-0585, option 3, or visit our website www.VariQuest.com. To order laminate, please contact your local VariQuest authorized dealer or call Varitronics at 1-800-328-0585.